This is a cool Wagon brand Suzhi. To open it, just push it to the sides. Then make sure the fabric part is covering the steel frame. The handle can go up and down. It locks in place. The handle can be adjustable. It can be extended up to 36 inches. It has 4 wheels that can rotate 360 degrees. There are 2 mesh cup holders here. The fabric is sturdy and easy to clean. It has the Velcro straps so you can take off the fabric entirely when you want to wash it. To fold it, you just need to pull the fabric tabs in the middle right here. You don't even have to pull it hard at all, and it collapses. There are 2 carrying handles for when it's folded. What I really like about it is it's very lightweight, and it's going to be easy to put in and out of the trunk of the car. You can use the Wagon for different surfaces, like at the beach or steep hills, and of course flat surfaces.